Hey guys, welcome to Drew's Quick Fixes and Hacks. And today we're talking about why your car won't start, why it won't jump start, and if your battery has full power and the lights are going on inside the car and everything. This is the old PT Cruiser here. And well, actually, this is my parts PT Cruiser. Trying to move it away from this alleyway over to my used car lot over here, right? That's pretty bad. And I got the Avenger stuck the other day because that's a 1995 Dodge Avenger, and used the good old Tahoe here to kind of yank it over there by one wheel. Didn't do a proper towing, and yeah, so now it's stuck in the middle of my lawn. I was trying to pull it up on the lawn. Okay, so back to business here, guys. So if your battery is not starting or your car is not cranking, the first thing you want to do, if it won't jump start, if it won't charge properly, you're going to want to check and make sure your battery terminals are tight. See how this is loose like this, guys? This is the negative terminal. You want it to be snug. This is not, this one's snug. I just tightened it up. So most battery terminals take a 10 millimeter wrench or ratchet. You're just going to want to get in there and tighten it up. Okay, guys? And that really can make a difference. I'm telling you, the contacts on the battery. So that's if your battery can still be kind of iffy, not 100%. Of course, that little sticker there, this is only a 2-year-old battery, a little less, a year and a half. It's been sitting here for a while. It's still under warranty, but it's not doing great. But I charged it with a Schumacher charger, and it was even having trouble charging while it was on these connections. That's because I didn't have the connections fully thing. So you don't want it to be able to wiggle like that. Okay, guys, I'm going to tighten this up, and it's going to hug it a lot better. It's going to make a much better contact when it's starting, and hopefully we're going to get this car cranked up. All right, guys, well, this is Drew with Drew's Quick Facts. Hopefully this helped you. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, thumbs up, and you're going to want to check out my other video playlist for Car Won't Start. Absolutely, it's really going to help you if you're having some car issues. I'm not making as many car videos as I used to. I've actually gone mostly electric now, but I thought I'd show you this one. Yeah, make sure your battery terminals are tight before you jump start or start your car if your battery's good. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.